Okay, so welcome back. So we're still on the ellipse here, and today I'm going to go through with you how to construct a tangent to an ellipse from a point on the curve and a point off the curve, which I'll go through in my next video. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to find the focal points, and in order to find the focal points we need to go half the length of our major axis from the top of our minor axis and swing an arc onto the major axis on both sides, and this will locate F1 and F2. So there's F1 and there's F2. Okay, and the next step we need to do now, so I'll use my green biro, is we need to join F1 to P. So there's F1 to P and F2 to our point as well. So the next thing we need to do is we need to bisect our angle. So we get our compass again and we need to bisect this angle here, okay, which joins our point P to F1 and F2. So at any distance, so anywhere between 10 millimeters and above on your compass, swing an arc, ensuring that your arc strikes through at both sides. So now that gives us 2 points with the same distance. Swing an arc on both of these points. So there's our first arc and our second arc on this point. Swing another arc. That gets us a point here. And now that's going to locate our normal line. So there's our normal, and we'll strike that in blue. So what we know about our normal in graphics is that our normal is always going to be perpendicular to our tangent. So we can now imagine our tangent is going to look something along that way, okay, that direction. So now I need to come along and I need to get my sliding set squares and go 90 degrees to our normal line. So I'll just label that normal first. So it's really important to understand the principle of the normal being perpendicular to our tangent. That never changes. So there we go. So there's this edge lined up with our normal, and we understand that this edge here is always 90 degrees to this angle. So we can slide our set square over like this, and this is going to be our tangent to the ellipse, like so. And we can label that tangent. So just to recap, a little sketch for you. So in order to find our tangent to an ellipse from a point on the curve, locate focal points. Number 2, join focal points to the point P. 3, bisect that angle. So there's our angle. Swing our arc, 2 points, swing another arc from that point, and straight through. That gets us our normal. Number 5, last step, normal perpendicular to tangent. So we can now construct. Okay, so that's not that bad. That usually comes up on the junior cert question in our section B, and it's usually point on the ellipse which you need to locate, but I will go through the point outside the ellipse in the next question.